All right, guys, gather around. We're gonna start giving away some prizes. We keep saying it, but seriously, guys, thank you so much, because each year this event gets bigger and we're just gonna keep doing it, and we're hoping to just have more and more people until the cops show up and they're mad that traffic's blocking the street. You know, we can have all the coolest gear, but if we don't have any customers to buy that gear or to help out, we are nothing. So thanks a ton, guys. We really appreciate it. So the first prize, and the prizes are only going to get better as the list goes on, is from Western Overland Adventures. And we are giving away 5 vouchers that can be used on any of their adventure packages, including the trail rides that we're going to be doing this year. So we have a couple of events coming up. All right, next we've got Cali Raised LED. They donated 3 sets of ditch light brackets. Next, we've got Pale Blue Batteries, and they're giving away a home conversion kit. This kit comes with a variety of different batteries that you can use around your house or on the trail, whatever your jam is, and they can be recharged over 1,000 times. All right, next up is UC Gear, and we're giving away some string lights. So we've got a couple different versions, but these are awesome. These are 32 feet long. You can hang them around your awning. You can throw them inside your tent. Multiple different uses. Okay, Rax Brax is a triple HD quick attach and detach awning system. So you don't always have to have your awning mounted. You can actually take it off at any point in time, which is super cool, because if you don't want to cruise with your awning when you're on the trail or when you're doing something else, you just throw it up in the garage and then throw it back on when you're camping. All right, now we got Up Top Overland. Corey from Up Top Overland drove all the way out from Colorado, set up a booth for us just for this event, and they donated your choice of a bed rack or a roof rack. So whatever fits your vehicle. This could be about $1,000 to $1,500 value. We're super grateful for them driving out and all they do for us. They make some really awesome stuff. I run their snorkel and their rack on my truck. I've been super happy with it. If you haven't checked out Up Top Overland, be sure to check them out. Guys, thank you so much again. We really appreciate it. If you didn't win this year, you better show up next year. Give yourself another shot. Thanks again, guys. We appreciate you.